Hello everyone, today I built a sales report analysis dashboard on Power BI. Let us jump into our dashboard. This is our sales report analysis dashboard. In this dashboard, I use three slices to filter based on year, customer and month. I use three cards which are total sales, total units and total customers. I used matrix. To showcase total sales by region I used pie chart, and total sales by sales channel I used Donald chart. Top total sales by product name I used clustered column chart. Let us start with the year. In 2018, this is our total sales. It is in 2019, it's our 161.17k. Total units sold 61. Total customers in 2019 is 21. If you want to filter based on month, if we go on the month of January, you can see 21 customers. If you want to filter based on the customers, there you go. This is about our sales report on this dashboard. Thank you.